this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and so let's begin. So the first step I'm going to do is use the quotient rule. So low d high minus high d low divided by the square root of what's below. So the low term is this term, d high, derivative of the top term, minus high, top term, times derivative of the bottom term, this term, divided by the square root of what's below, divided by this term right here. And so this piece right here, when you take the derivative, you would get 3 raised to x ln 3. Next, you would have 3 raised to x minus 4 raised to x, and so we would get 3 raised to x ln 3 minus 4 raised to x ln 4. So the next step will be to expand this expression right here. So we need to multiply everything out. So 3 raised to x ln 3 times 3 raised to x is this piece right here. Next, 3 raised to x ln 3 times negative 4 raised to x is this piece right here. Next, negative 3 raised to x times 3 raised to x ln 3 will give us this piece right here. Next, negative 3 raised to x times negative 4 raised to x ln 4 will be this piece right here, divided by the square root of what's below, this piece right here. Next, we will group. So 3 raised to x times 3 raised to x is 9 raised to x. 4 raised to x times 3 raised to x is 12 raised to x. 3 raised to x times 3 raised to x is again 9 raised to x. And 3 raised to x times 4 raised to x is 12 raised to x. And if you notice, this term right here and this term right here can cancel. And now we have a common term, 12 raised to x. So we can factor out a 12 raised to x, put a parentheses, this is a positive ln 4 minus this piece right here because you have a negative sign, so minus ln 3 divided by this piece right here. Now we can use some of those log rules. We could say 12 raised to x times ln 4 divided by 3, close parentheses, divided by this piece, or you could even say negative ln parentheses 3 over 4, where we flip this piece, and that's why we have a negative, times 12 raised to x divided by this piece right here. And that's all we need to do for this problem.